चल हम आगे चलते। Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. As you can see, I'm riding a KTM. It's Adventure 250 और ये मैंने मनाली में रेंट किया है और it's already been driven for like 17k kilometers, so it's not the best or smoothest out there, but yeah, definitely something to consider. मेरे दोस्त ने V-Storm रेंट किया है, तो I will be riding that on my way back. I'll try and see कहीं पे जगह मिलती है तो I'll probably park it and take a few pictures. And yeah, I mean थोड़ा half रहा हूँ because the helmet is not that comfortable, so apologies for that in advance. And so far it's a great ride experience, and as you can see, पहाड़ों में चलाना is always fun. Like इससे पहले मैंने स्कूटी रेंट किया हुआ था, शिमला से हम लोग गए काफ़ी ऊपर, चहल I guess, चंद्रताल, I'm not sure, but yeah, काफ़ी ऊपर गए and it's always been a great experience. Alright, my wife had to give me some instructions. So the reason why we are at Manali during this time is it's my 3rd wedding anniversary, so हमने सोचा हमारा रिचुअल कंटिन्यू रखते हैं. Like previously as well, हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से पहाड़ों में जा रहे हैं. ये साल it's like my 3rd trip to the hills. First in Feb, I guess we went to Kasol, and उसके बाद we went to Manali with one of my office colleagues and my wife. And yeah, so you never know what to expect in the hills. So yeah, as I was saying, this is my 3rd trip to the hills, and as you can see, it's very unpredictable and a new terrain for me, so I'm not 100% confident. Besides, I don't think one should overdo things just show के लिए and whatnot. So yeah, even I'm not sure how to ride this on the hills 100%, to be honest. So yeah, but in any case, I am having a lot of fun. The roads are pretty good and it's all curvy and whatnot. So not sure my दोस्त कौन क्यों मार रहा है. Hope everything's okay. Alright. Yeah, most of them, these are like blind turns. अच्छे रोड्स यहाँ पे है. नॉट श्योर फरीदाबाद में कब होंगे ऐसे रोड्स. लुक एट दिस व्यू. सो ये वाले बाइक का फुल फ्लेजेड एक्सपीरियंस तो मैं नहीं बता सकता, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज इट्स बीन ड्रिवन बाय सो मैनी राइडर्स एंड व्हाट नॉट. So I'm not 100% sure कि ये अपने 100% कंडीशन में भी है. So या बट इट इज़ कंफर्टेबल, बस थोड़ा ब्रेकिंग एंड लो एंड टॉक्स में थोड़ा सा गाड़ी बंद हो जा रहा है। अब बंद एज इन नॉट लाइक गोरिल्ला, बट या सो लो एंड टॉक्स में पावर नहीं है। सो व्हेन आई ट्राई टू क्लाइंब अप द हिल्स एंड व्हाट नॉट, तो तब दिक्कत आ रही है थोड़ी सी। ये लोग कहाँ है? ये लोग कहाँ है? आ रहे हैं? अच्छा अच्छा। Yeah, the roads are like pretty beautiful and whatnot. In hills, मुझे पता है कि मतलब हमें हमारे लाइन पे चलाना चाहिए, so we'll be 100% safe that way. And yeah, इसका alignment भी बिगड़ा है handle का, so all these turns become a little harder, but it is what it is. As quietly and safely as possible. Interesting. But yeah, it is fun to ride, and I promised my wife कि मैं ज़्यादा स्पीड नहीं चलाऊँगा, and वैसे भी I'm in no condition to drive at high speeds on these roads, because as you can see it's pretty risky, and I would rather ride this bike at 10 kmph than risk my life. So yeah, it is what it is. यही अगर आप मुझे दिल्ली के रोड्स पे या फरीदाबाद में बोलोगे तो या आई कुड हैव पुश्ड दिस बाइक टू इट्स लिमिट्स, बट आई गेस it's not worth it in the hills, and besides you get to enjoy so much of great views. It's a different experience altogether, so why not just give it some time to soak all of that energy, the vibe in, and yeah, drive safely as well. So beautiful village or whatever it is. And I know most of the जगह ये हो चुके हैं commercialized, but the village is still quite great, and yeah, we should always appreciate the beauty. People are who they are, but yeah, that doesn't mean कि हर इंसान एक जैसी, पहाड़ में भी लोग रह रहे हैं, but how civilized they are. Look at the way they keep their roads and whatnot clean and cause least amount of pollution. I remember कल ही हम लोग जा रहे थे, I guess सेथन वैली में थे, which was fully covered in snow. So yeah, हमने वहाँ पे मैगी खाया, एंड डिस्पाइट लाइक सॉरी अबाउट दैट, तो डिस्पाइट दैट आई मीन वो लोग शॉप बंद कर रहे थे, एंड दे डिडंट लाइक थ्रो द लिटर अवे. They kept it like उन्होंने सब रैप अप कर दिया था, एंड दैट वाज प्रॉब्ली द लास्ट शॉप, and instead of just throwing the plates anywhere, they civilizedly kept it inside their tent where they packed their shop. And yeah, next day I'm sure they put it in the bin as well. So yeah, I mean, it's all about how you see things. And people here are like much sophisticated and civilized compared to what I've seen in Delhi. Like मैंने Yeezys खरीदे थे and मेरे ब्रांड न्यू Yeezys पे मोमोज की चटनी एंड वॉट नॉट लग चुका था बिकॉज कहीं मोमोज खाने की जगह है बट पीपल जस्ट dump their garbage on the road. So yeah, that's okay. Hey guys, sorry about that. हम लोग एक्चुअली बस डिस्कस कर रहे थे कहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, तो उसके लिए we had to stop. But yeah, so far the bike is feeling solid and all the four of us are enjoying the ride. It's a great experience to be honest, and I'm truly grateful that I have the means, I had the opportunity to get this bike on rent. It was actually both me and my friend Piyush's idea, and yeah, it's crazy. My wife was a little bit skeptical whether to rent a bike on hills or not, but I think हम कहीं भी जाएंगे तो it costed us like 2,000 1,500 at least, and this way at least this one costed me like 1,700 bucks, and that one is for like 1,500 bucks leased on 250. And yeah, I think it's totally worth it. They also took like 6 grand in deposit, which should be refunded today once we return the bikes in the conditions they were given to us. So also it's highly mandatory to record video of your bikes, and look at these fucking views, man. I'm so in love with the hills. The goal is to definitely buy a property here one day. We do have like a lot of friends from the hills, and yeah. And yeah, it was a planned candid, but doesn't matter. These 18 adventure. Yeah. Does it? So we are going to ITC, Amsa, Manali. Where? Oh, take घुमा लो. नहीं यहाँ से घुमा लो. हाँ. Okay, let's not try to fall. सीधा oh father, holy, these 5 stars and their rules are like crazy. I guess it is what it is.